Bell. Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and I have Belle. This is Belle, and I have Poppy. What are you doing, Poppy? Poppy here. Every time I film, they love to sit here. They're both dirty. They need a bath. We've been out walking, haven't we? So today I have, and I'm excited to show everyone, a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's been quite a while, sorry Belle, it's been quite a while since I've had one of these orange bags, and this item I've had on my wish list off and on for a couple of years, and I keep saying no, I don't need it. Yes, I do. So let me unbox it and show everyone what I got. What I did is I was on the website, the Louis Vuitton website, and I had a look to see if my Brisbane store had it, and it was sort of like an impulse. I said to hubby, I'm going to go and get this, and I knew that Brisbane had it, so I thought, why not? And she looks beautiful. I love the box with the ribbon. Apparently, I was watching a few YouTubers and they were saying if you order online, they're not getting the ribbon at the moment. So I don't know if that's in the US, Australia or UK or wherever, but this came with the ribbon. It probably wouldn't have worried me too much, but I understand when you're buying something, you want, you want all the little extras. So here we go. We'll undo it. What do you think, Poppy? Do you want the ribbon? Want the ribbon? Okay, you can have the ribbon. The receipt. Let me see if it's in here because I don't know where we put it or where it is. No receipt. Oh no, it's in here. So it's in this little folder with a little car on it, the truck. Sort of used to the long folder with the receipts on, but I paid 1,150 Australian dollars. So here she is, something I've wanted for ages. I'm so glad I got this. Not a handbag. Right there, Poppy, with that ribbon. Comes in a dust bag. Actually, nice dust bag. I watched a few others where the dust bag was a lot bigger. They'd run out of dust bags, but I think this is probably the dust bag for this item. I ended up getting, drum roll, exciting. Ooh, the GM Agneda with the monogram. Now the reason I got this is I have the PM Agneda in the Damier Azur, which is the really tiny one. So it goes PM, MM. Poppy's just taken my receipt. And this GM. So I had been using my PM, sorry, she's distracted me now. I've been using my PM for a while in handbags, and then I stopped using it because I started using smaller handbags. And I'm a fashion stylist. I need to write things down. I like to plan my life, and I was using notebooks just to write things down for YouTube or just fashion ideas in general. I'm a real jotter. I like to just write everything down. I think for me, it just reinforces, when I write something down, it reinforces my memory. I'm able to remember. So because the PM is quite tiny and it just goes in my handbag, I'm now storing my business cards in it. I decided I'm going to pull the trigger on this and buy this and use this as a notebook, but also a planner and a diary. So this is her, and I'm really happy to have her in my collection. I did get her hot stamped. I'm not overly fussed on hot stamping. They could do it in 5 minutes, so I decided to do it. So I was happy to have that done. I certainly don't like hot stamping my bags as much, but it's just nice to have a personal item from Louis Vuitton hot stamped. And I was trying to see, because they were saying there is a date code in here. I'll have a look later. Also, I've been watching all the unboxings of this as well and trying to work out how everyone sets them out. Some of them are just so lovely. I don't think I'm that way inclined. I like pretty things, but I think mine's probably going to be a bit more practical. I might have a few little stickers, but I probably won't go overboard. And I've already had a few tips on not pulling the rings. Let's just open this. Not pulling the rings open all the time because they start to separate. So one of the ladies said she just sort of cuts her pages out when she's finished with them. So that's how it works. So that's what I got. I'm really happy to have this in my collection. and it just so happened they had the monogram. I was after the monogram because I just think it looks really nice in the monogram. I'm going to sit this sort of on my table or in my bedroom and write everything down. So if you've got any questions, leave them down below. But don't forget everyone, Ada loves style. See you again next time. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to show you, they did give me some perfume samples. I just think it's really nice when you go to a luxury designer house and buy something. They give you something extra, a bit like, you know, with Fendi and everyone like that. And so, which ones do I have? I can never pronounce these, but let me just take a look. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. But they've given me 2 samples, which I'll try. I don't know about the Louis Vuitton perfume. I'm sure they're nice, but I will go away and try those. And it's just a little bit extra that I can use and just feel really nice for the day. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget everyone, Ada loves style. See you again next time. Bye.